All right, we're gonna start with removing this one. I believe we were supposed to tie these two together, so that's what we did. There's one bolt here. I think it's a 13. I'll tell you here in a second. Yeah, so 13. And I believe just at the bottom you have 4 or 6 plug-ins. I'll hang on to this. Okay. Let's see, how else is it held down? The bracket here, oh, they got push downs. There's probably some on the other side, yep. There it goes. So 4 tabs. Looks like you can move this bracket if you wanted to get it out of your way. I don't know if it's necessary. So we'll just see how it goes. So I believe these rock like that, and this comes out. So we'd assume that all of them rock and then come out. Blue, green. These ones look different. Blue one, the green one, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So I guess 7 total is what we're looking at. This one might have just a squeeze. Oh no, it has a pull down. Oh, this one has a pull down. Ow. Yeah. This one has one. Oh, we got some room. Kinda. This one has a tab, it looks like. And then there's another. I have to get some to pry that one. Ooh, it's cold. Let's see for the little one. Push this one down and then in. Let's see. That one doesn't like to come out very well. Let's see, which way can it go? There it goes. So that's a push in. This one has a. Those ones are stuck. Let's see if we can pry it with this thing. Those ones are on really, really hard. And this one doesn't like the wheel coming off. right there. Let's get a screwdriver. Something big in there. Golly, really? It does not want to come off that. The plug will come out, but the little locking mechanism does not want to come off of it. Huh. It does not want to come off there at all. Just gonna have to be nice. Try a couple, 2 things. Wow. What a horrible thing this is. Okay, got that one. So that one will come out. I can't use. There you go. And that one can come out. Wow. Insane. Yeah. It's a green one, not a green one, not a brown. And so that's your old one out. I'm not sure how long it was. 10 minutes? Maybe? This is a rebuilt. So they rebuild them. Obviously they have a problem with them. So make sure it looks all the same. Same pins. Same numbers. Yeah, both look the same. Then they want your old one back to rebuild it. Cord charge. So we'll just put this one off to the side. We'll put the other one in the same way we took them off, I hope. Go back all the same. Make it all the connections. Nothing looks messed up or out of order. Discolored. We're having a charging issue with this, so we're hoping just to give the power where it needs to give the power to in the computer so that it will regulate the voltage. Is that it? No. There it goes. That sounds better. That was weird though. This really didn't seat like it I thought it should. Let's pop that one back out. You went in with the handle that you rocked forward already up. And I think it should go down and then you rock it up. Right? Like this thing when you come out now again. She don't know it yet, but she's gonna come out. Don't want to go through the whole thing and put it back and then it doesn't like it because it didn't fit perfectly or something. See, that's not out of the way. So now we have this down. push it all the way. Oh, as it goes in, it goes up, right? Yeah, that felt a lot better. So this one is the same. As it goes in, it goes up. Get it the other way. Perfect. Now let's see, what do we got next? One of these are red. I can't see. We'll use the old one as a guide. So the red one is this one. Not sure if that's how we got off next, but we'll go that way. Push it up and then lock it. So cool. And let's see. These two. So one goes here from the back, one goes in the front. I'm not sure which one that one is, but we'll push this white one in for sure. And that locks with the red. And that was way too big, so that ain't it. So I think this one is the green, and that one is the blue. And this one is white or black or whatever color you want to call that. They are short. We got that one. That's locked. Getting close. There's one that. There's the bolt. So from right here. I'll get that in a second. So it is good to keep this one right here. So the reference is the green next. And the blue on the outskirt. There's green. Oh, I guess that's the way that unlocks. I didn't realize it. And then your blue. Same thing. This one has to rock when it goes in. There it goes. It locks. Check all the wires. Seem legit. And you have the big positive that gives it all its power. And we're going to slide it back into these tabs. 4 tabs. Good enough for me. Open this up. Yep, and it's missing that 10mm that I dropped. So we've got the main power there. And there's your 10. The fuses and relays all look the same. But underneath there and inside here, there's more relays that they wire to a computer board with chips and crap or whatever like that, which are non-serviceable unless you know how to rebuild them. That's pretty stupid. So that's that. So this should, in theory, solve all of our problems. We're definitely hoping so. It wasn't too bad. I don't even know if it was 10 minutes the whole thing. And then we'll send this one back, hoping that that one works. Alright, my neighbors are coming out because I'm working on the car, so I'll have to pause it.